Wait. Sabihin ko muna, DJ.
My name is Dennis Politis. Mangyara yung Big Daddy J. P-O-L-G-U-I. Big Daddy J.
Big Daddy J. Daddy. Bakit naman po Big Daddy J?
Di ba alata? Okay.
Okay. So, paano po kayo nag-start as a DJ?
I started in Davao. A long time ago, early 90s. Nag-open ang Magic sa Davao. Then they got us from that radio station, and then after a couple of years, they brought me.
Graduate po kayo ng...
I didn't graduate.
It's talent.
I dropped out of college.
Okay.
I was taking up philosophy.
Philosophy, right?
Kunyari lang.
From where?
Ateneo.
Wow! Ateneo. Oh, thank you.
I used to do it every day, but now since I have other jobs, yun, may medyo lumaki yung job subscription ko. Every Friday and Sunday na lang. Pag Friday, alas 3 ng hapon, till 6. Pag Sunday, 7 to 10 in the morning.
So, may family kids pa kayo.
I have 5 kids in elementary.
Okay.
Yes.
Pwede po kayong mag-share about po mga mathematics students po kasama po siya sa field namin.
Sir,
Well, okay.
aside po po, bago po kayo nag-DJ, ano po yung una niyo po?
Wala. The only thing I did. Ano ba?
May share po sa amin.
Well, to be straight with you, but it also can be very rewarding. Depends on how hard you hustle. Obviously, yung mga DJs namin was very popular. TV shows, they come out in magazines, they come out on TV, and so on and so forth. It's good to be a magic DJ. Pero it's hard. Hindi ko madali. Hindi ko dumarating na lang dito. So, nagigirapan yun.
Sir, as a DJ for GK po, how do you handle those plastic po? Baka po, education po. Baka po sa like,
You know, it's a matter of priority. I think if you know your priorities, it's not going to be hard to decide. Right? I mean, personally, priorities for number 1 is God. Number 2 is my wife. Number 3 is my kids. Number 4 is my job. Number 5 is managing church. So madali mag-decide. Ha?
Survive talaga.
Yeah.
Like,
Super long.
so, ano po yung may advice niyo po sa amin as a math student? As soon as we graduate from our course math communication,
Ano yun?
second year,
We start now. Kasi po, yung pag-DJ, it does not start when you sit down. It starts when you're young. I've known so many people who started speaking in English na gusto magtrabaho sa amin nung nag-graduate na sila. Yung tipong sa school ayaw mag-English kasi it takes years to master a language. In anything anyway. The reason you guys are in school is you guys are learning a skill. Unfortunately, talent is different. Talent is inborn. Skill, almost, right? I don't think all of you are going to become DJs. I don't think all of you are going to become TV broadcasters. Kasi depende yun kung bakit ka nasa-force mo eh. Diba? Kung nag-mascom ka dahil bakado mo mascom. Kung may cute na lalaki, may cute na lalaki kaya nag-mascom. Tapos na. It depends on your heart. You know, it's a hard issue. If you really love what you're doing, then you have to work hard at it. The discipline that school teaches you, you have to embrace it. Kasi yung mga projects, yung mga homework, yung mga pagkarami-raming libro pinapabasa sa inyo. Sorry. Sing the same song over and over again every day. Diba? And you're sick, tapos kailangan mo magtrabaho, wala kang tulog. Kaya kailangan may gig ka ng madaling araw, tapos mapasok ka pa ng alas 9 ng umaga. So, it's not easy. So these things you learn in school. Diba? So pagdating nyo ng hindi yung magugulat na lang kayo. Wait. Sabi mo na, everybody kasi yung aking boss na sana. Google Docs or...
ba, sir?
Wala. I mean, kasi ganito yun. It's an ongoing thing, right? So I read, I surf, hindi tubig, ha? I surf the internet, and gano'n. So research yan every day. So when I get on board, prepared na ako. As opposed to magkakaroon ako before board. Parang, nagagawin ko muna. Wala ako ngayon. Diba?
Ano po yung mga ginagawa niyo warm-up para po, bago po kami? Bago po boss, hindi na po kayo nagpo-connect.
Oh! Wala. Hindi naman ako kakanta.
Pero, ano po yung pinagkaiba ng video station na to sa inyo? Ano po yung may
Frequency. Ano ko na?
Joker!
Ay, dala. Kasi thank you for burgers. Nagkaiba sa presentation, sa packaging, the way they market themselves, and so on and so forth. Ganun kami. We're magic and we sell it differently than everybody else.
So, paano yung pinapresent yung parang pinaka-alas nyo para sabihin maganda yun.
Well, one thing we do not do is compete with other radio stations. Right? We look inside, kumbaga, and then get better. As opposed to, ginagawa ng kabilang stasyon ko. Walang ganun. Kasi it's almost like keeping up with the Joneses. Pag naarinig ka ng ginagawa nila, gagayarin mo sila. Di ba? Parang shawarma. May nagbukas ng shawarma, lahat shawarma. We don't. I mean, we research, we look into ourselves, and then we work on it. We try to work on our strengths, try to minimize, and try not to highlight the weaknesses.
So, ano po yung mga qualifications po para mo?
As long as you can speak English, and then you have a certain, for the lack of a better term, X factor, and siguro medyo si Raul ka. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, naman. Besides, okay. Just because you can speak English does not mean automatic DJ ka na magic. I've rejected so many angles. My designation, I am the on-air operations supervisor for the radio station, so I'm pretty much in charge of hiring and firing. The DJs, of course, I have to coordinate with my station manager. Siya yung financing. I make recommendations. And so, siyempre, lahat ng mga applications. And yun, just because you can speak English doesn't mean automatic. I listen to you, and here at the Magic, very, very important yung attitude. Always attitude over talent. Kasi magaling ka, wala kang kwentang katama. Ano kami ng magaling na katama.
Okay. Pwede niyo po ba kami sample ng DJ niyo?
Sasalita ako, di ba?
Okay.
Ay, ulit na kayo?
Oo.
Sample na! Exactly. Nagsasalita ako. Pareho lang yun, wala lang akong mikrofono. It's the same thing. Sorry?
Hindi ako sa greetings.
What do you mean? Bumati ako? That's why. Okay. Wala akong parati sinasabi. Nagdadagdag lang ako. It's the same, really. There is no difference. Wala, I have nothing. I just... Goodbye. Yung signature lang.
Wala ko yung BMS.
No. To be a magic DJ, dapat rin, kailangan ka magpasa. You have to be well read. So when you start speaking, you're authoritative in the whatever topic you're talking about. Hindi yung magkakaram ka na doon para may masabi ka, di ba? It's an ongoing process, an everyday thing. Di ba? Even if sabihin natin next week ako mag-board, ayun pala, nagbabasa ka na. It's like studying. But hindi yung hindi ka makikinig for the 3 months, tapos one day before the exam, magkakaram ka na. Di ba? It's like school. So you listen every single day. Right before the exams, you just review. It's the same thing with work. You listen, you do your stuff every day, and by the time, on D-Day, on the day na mag-work ka, marami ka na alam. Hindi ka mag-aayag, if you review.
Saan ba kayo?
Ilan taon po?
41.
Yeah.
Thank you. Or a lolo. Ha?
Look like me.
Pwede na ba? Wala na akong pera. Talaga.
Forget the bottom line.
Ha? Yun na yun.
Mahirap po kami ng pera.
Kung meron pa po ba kayo ibang ambitions in life na gusto nyo po makita? Meron pa po.
You have to, wala na, this is it. You have to realize I'm a province. Diba? And if you ask any DJs in the provinces, they want to be a DJ in Metro Manila. Ito na yun diba? Kumbaga sa mga states pa, everybody wants to go to Hollywood. Diba? In the Philippines, a DJ, they want to be a DJ in Manila. Diba? Ang mga probinsyano, alam mag-DJ ang biggest radio station in the country. So, ano ba ba? Mag-DJ sa state?
Well,
You never know.
no, not
Yari
like.
lang yun. I'm happy where I am. 19 years? Dinosaur map.
Alamat.
Oo.
You can play in DJ, no?
19 na ata.
Oh, yun na lang po. Sige po. Sign po.
Thank you,
Oh, ba yun?
Rev.
Sana makapasa.
Sorry po. Sure.
Sure.